Hey boys, we're back with another video. Today we are going to be doing another big truck, kind of like a scenario. Trolling some cops, crushing them, all that good stuff as you guys like. Hopefully at least. And here's the truck right now. It's the big overkill. Pretty crazy truck I can think. It has some monster truck tires. It's bulletproof tires. Not really bulletproof, but... and it has a license plate, as you can see right there. Yeah, it has a livery and all that. Yeah. The keys are not in here, so we're gonna be screwed on that deal. We're gonna throw our seatbelt on though. So we're gonna go trail some cops. It can definitely get over some cars like SUVs and whatnot. But hopefully we can find some cops. I know there's a couple cops over here, so see a couple dealerships. Maybe if not, we can go to the dealership, run them over. Why not? Do all the goodest stuff. Ew, I thought that was a car. Yeah, so if we could just trail some cops and all that. Figure out something to do. This thing's a little big for the road, as you can tell. I think I see a cop right there, actually. That bush. So we'll see what happens. Oh shit! I hit a bird. Oh, there's one right there. I guess we're getting pulled. Shit, there's two of them. Oh. Huh? What?
Sir, step out of the vehicle.
Why? I haven't done anything.
Oh, never mind, sir. I'm scared of that big truck.
Why?
We had an incident just a couple days ago with a spiky truck.
Oh. That doesn't sound very good.
Yes, the spiky truck's scary.
Hello, sir. Assistant Sheriff.
Hello.
Long from PCSH. Do you know why I'm pulling you over today?
No, I do not.
Well, your tires are kind of big.
And your lift
They're
pack is
over-
illegal.
Oh, it is? Oh, how much would the fine be for that one?
It's just a fix-it ticket.
Oh, okay. Where would I go to do that one?
Warning now. I'll just give you a warning now. So, can you just go fix that for me?
Yeah.
All right. Can I have your license registration?
Yeah, it's called Suck a Fat Cock.
Ah, crap.
You almost just hit me. I don't like big tires.
That's nice.
Not again.
Dude, this is the
I
same
hate
cops,
big
I think.
trucks, officer.
So do I. I saw him. He went down the street. It took a left. Got team. Big truck in the run. Ammo. We need backup.
Big black truck.
Big black? Dude, does this look black to them?
Lost visual suspect. Gain visual suspect. Hey.
Oh!
Officer Frenchie, turn around.
Sir, no! Sir, pull over.
I think he
Pull
just
over-
crunched his car.
Crap. Oh crap, pull over the vehicle, sir.
Officer.
Go. Oh, they took out my light.
Offer.
Okay, we're gonna turn right here.
He's at Sandy Shores Airfield. Right now, heading off. Sir, pull over the vehicle.
Oh, this thing's pretty slow, ain't it? I'm pretty sure that's pretty slow, ain't it? Ooh, I'm catching. He just crashed!
Haha, sir.
Dude, your officer sucks.
Yep, he's in training.
Oh, shit!
I'm not in training.
Over.
Boys, I
Okay,
think we.
buddy. I'm a sergeant. Yep. LSP.
What are you doing, boys? We're smoking. Let's go repair her real fast. Because they can't get over these. And if they do, that's a little scary, I can tell you that. Ah, you suck. Shit.
Shut up, sir. I'm not the one driving in a big black truck.
Yeah, and I could actually outrun you. Boys, 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 we're gonna have to drift her a little bit right here. Hey, buddy! Oh, shit.
I just fat freaked. Ow! I fell off the car.
I can see this one coming.
Pause figure on the big truck.
Oh, shit. I destroyed his car, dude! This dude's crazy.
Oh, looking for visual on the big truck.
He is right next to the train tracks on Panorama Drive, heading into the Sandy airfield.
He lost me. So I think. Smooth. Okay, we're gonna go to Route 68. I think we should get a little bit more of repair. Ooh, perfect, it's right over here. They lost me. Good thing I can hear what they're saying. They're so stupid for not being quiet. Oh shit, that's a problem. Oh, there you go, okay. Good thing it's foggy,
Come on,
dude.
visual on your shushbang.
Oh shit, I see him right there. Look at him, boys. Oh, he ran him over, dude! I ran his
We
ass
can go
over!
lethal, we can go lethal, hit an officer.
No, what do you mean? I didn't hit anyone! Oh fuck, boys.
You hit an officer.
What do you mean? No, I didn't.
Uh,
I didn't hit anything. Oh shit.
you hit an officer.
When?
You just ran me over.
I didn't run anything over. They shouldn't seem to do that's kind of crazy, boy. I'm surprised we've lasted. Buddy! Woo! Oh shit, they put spike strips! Good thing this tire doesn't go through spike strips. I mean, if it did, that wouldn't be very good. And they're shooting at me earlier right now. Go back around. Yeah. Oh shit! How did that pop my tires?
Shots fired.
Hey, you popped my tires!
He has no tires.
Good thing that mechanic knows how to repair
Sir.
tires.
Why would you repair?
guys. I don't want to get caught. I already have enough money. I mean, I'm poor actually. I don't want to have fun. Ow! I got a flat, dude. Officer. Ow! Fudge, you gave me a flats. Give me some flats, dude. Fuck, he gave me all flats on the back. I need to get. I thought this thing had bulletproof tires. What the hell happened? Ow. Oh, dude. Okay, I'm trying to get away now, dude. This thing does not blend in very well either. I mean, I do have a gun, so we'll hop out. Shit. Shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh, I got him, let's go. So I'm taking his car.
Flat tire.
Sir, stay down.
Sir, don't take my vehicle.
This thing's good. Oh shit, hopefully this thing has bulletproof tires or something. This thing doesn't like. Oh shit, I'm getting shot at. This thing's pretty nice. I gotta tell you, at least I got a better car than that truck. Holy shit, I'm still getting hit. Is that my freaking? Oh shit. Ow!
Man down. Tooth. Tooth. He's going, he's running.
My leg! My leg! Ow! I was trying to get in the car, you idiots! Ah! You guys are so retarded.
Hey, sir, that's not very nice.
Yeah, you are.
I'll carry him, officer. You're injured.
Mike,
I can't run that fast. My legs still hurt. He shot me with.
ow! Oh my god.
Sir, down. I think I knocked him out.
Oh, dude, what the hell? It didn't even do anything.
Get him, Kim. Get him, Officer Dick.
Ah! Oh my god. Okay, think we're gonna do like
Your
what we
car,
did
get him a
last.
new car, officer. I'll go get mine.
Sir,
Oh.
get in the vehicle. Get in the
Why?
Get in
vehicle.
the vehicle.
No.
Here, I'll escort him. I'll escort him this time. He's running.
Ow! I'm about to die.
Just top in. Just top in. Just get in the car. Okay, sir. Here, here. I'll put a taser to him. Get in the car.
Get
Get in
in
the
the
car.
vehicle.
Get in the car. Get in the car. Get in the goddamn car.
Hey, get in the car.
I don't think they know I passed out. I don't think they know I passed out. Can I not get out? I don't think they know I'm passed out. He is all flats, dude. Almost all flats at least. Oh my god, this cop sucks at driving. Well, they still don't know I'm passed out.
Okay, sir. Yeah, I'll carry him.
Alright, sir, follow me.
He's passed out. Let's get him to the Okay, let's get him to the medics in the back and get him a fingerprint scan and stuff. Okay. Um, okay, medics, we'll take taking care of him.
Well, I don't know if they know, but I'm passed out. What a bunch of
Okay,
idiots.
sir, we're gonna be taking you to jail.
What was the point of that? They said to give me a fingerprint scan. They literally just took me over and got no. And I didn't. What was the point of this? What is he doing? He's such a bad driver. Oh, he just crashed. How is this car not damaged? What the hell? Where is he going?
Officer, what the hell are you doing?
This is funny. Oh, we just hit him. How is this car not damaged? I don't understand. Where is he taking me, dude? What's the point of this? I don't understand this at all, boys.
Okay, the medics in prison will get you. We'll just give them to the medics in prison. He's passed out still. Okay. The medics in jail will get him. Escort him to the door, and then we'll put him in jail.
Why is he?
You
What
get
the
paid
hell?
enough for this, dude. We have brain damage from getting hit. You too? How's your leg feel, officer? Sit in game.
I don't get enough for pay. I don't get.
Oh
paid
yeah,
enough
whatever.
for this crap. Ow.
Sorry, sir. Okay,
Well,
okay,
boys, that was the waste of time.
work well done.
But I think I'm gonna end it here. I'll come and get you guys. I'll
Now
tell
for
you
the
what
fun
happens.
part. We gotta go clean up the crime.
Discord. I'll leave my Discord in the
Okay.
description. Please do like, subscribe,
You want to
and
get
peace
off
out.
duty and